I am Satish.
I am Shashank.
I am from Yapalguda.
I am from Kinar Mediguda.
I am studying MA second year.
I am studying third class.
Okay, start talking 10 sentences. Start.
It is a railway station. It is a railway station.
Very good.
Passengers are coming to railway station. Passengers are coming to railway station.
Very good.
They are waiting for train. They are waiting for train.
Very good.
Train is coming on the rails. They are
Train
train is coming on the rails.
Very good. Railway station.
Railway station as shops. Railway station at shops.
Yes, shops.
Shop. Clock.
Next.
Steps. Flyover bridge. And platform.
Platform. Claps to Shashank. Very good.